Authentic Mexican Menudo Rojo. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 4 to 5 hours. Here is what you'll need. 5 pounds beef tripe, 1 piece beef knuckle or calf's foot, 1 large white onion, 1 head garlic, 2 tablespoons salt, 6 to 8 quarts water, 6 to 8 pieces guajillo chilies, 2 pieces ancho chilies, 1 tablespoon Mexican oregano, a half teaspoon cumin seeds. Step 1. Thoroughly wash the tripe under cold running water. To ensure a clean flavor, soak the cut tripe in water with the juice of 2 limes for 30 minutes, then rinse again. Step 2. In a very large stock pot, at least 12 quart capacity, add the tripe, the beef knuckle foot, the halved onion, and the head of garlic. Step 3. Cover with 6 to 8 quarts of water. Bring to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, use a slotted spoon to skim off any grey foam that rises to the surface for a clear broth. Step 4. Reduce heat to low, cover partially, and simmer gently for about 2 to 3 hours. The tripe should be starting to soften but still have a firm snap. Step 5. While the meat simmers, prepare the chili paste. Lightly toast the guajillo and ancho chilies in a dry skillet over medium heat for 30 to 60 seconds per side until fragrant but not burnt. Step 6. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl of hot water and let them soak for 20 minutes until soft and pliable. Step 7. In a blender, combine the soaked chilies, 1 cup of the soaking liquid, 4 garlic cloves, cumin, and 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano. Blend until completely smooth. Step 8. Strain the chili mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the simmering pot, discarding the leftover skins and seeds. Stir well to incorporate the deep red color. Step 9. Add the drained hominy to the pot. Season with the 2 tablespoons of salt, adjust based on preference. Step 10. Continue to simmer for another 1 to 1.5 hours. The tripe is done when it is tender enough to be easily pierced with a fork but not mushy. Step 11. Remove the large pieces of onion, the garlic head, and the beef knuckle foot before serving. Taste the broth one last time and adjust salt if necessary. Step 12. Ladle the hot menudo into deep bowls, ensuring everyone gets a generous portion of tripe and hominy. Serve immediately with the prepared garnishes on the side. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.